fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights an integration that bridges the gap between telematics and insurance, and a one-day install gate automation kiosk with engine noise-canceling microphones. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. GPS fleet tracking and safety technology company Linxup has integrated with Draivn, a platform that collects data from telematics and IoT devices in transportation fleets and converts it into real-time analytics for insurance and brokerage industries. The integration connects fleets, brokers, and insurers in a streamlined workflow, giving Linxup customers a faster, more accurate path to commercial auto coverage from insurance carriers that recognize and reward safety performance. Draivn captures and translates Linxup telematics data into validated risk exposure to streamline the underwriting process and deliver more accurate pricing. Outpost, a national truck terminal owner, operator, and automation company, has introduced its second-generation gate automation platform. The company designed a new kiosk from the ground up based on the requirements of its growing customer base, which includes some of the nation's largest truckload operators. The kiosk can be installed in as little as one day and includes upgrades to hardware, computer vision models, and back-end services to improve driver throughput, cargo verification, and facility visibility. One of those upgrades is custom-engineered mics designed to isolate the driver's voice over diesel engine noise and heavy equipment. It also now offers dual screens that display on-site navigation at both truck and car height, reefer monitor recognition, multi-camera vehicle tracking, and more. Operator tools were also expanded. This includes a detailed gate event timeline and a new pooled operator model that allows multiple remote employees to coordinate across yards and share workloads to reduce staffing requirements. Geoforce has rolled out the GT1c asset tracker, representing the first product outcome of a collaboration between the GPS tracking solutions provider and AT&T Business. The tracker, which leverages cellular technology on the AT&T network, captures and feeds smart location updates into Geoforce's mobile-enabled asset intelligence platform, providing greater visibility into the location, movement, and utilization of non-powered industrial assets and equipment. It's designed to survive in hazardous, heavy vibration environments and extreme temperature ranges with its fully encapsulated design and reinforced bezel. Trucking tech provider Samsara has launched the Samsara Driver Cup, a nationwide competition that uses real-world driving data from its platform to find and reward top professional drivers in the U.S. Samsara automatically scores eligible drivers through its driver app. Drivers will be scored and rewarded across 3 categories: safety consistency, hours of service compliance, and efficiency. Scoring for each category accounts for factors like route type and shift length, so every driver competes on a level playing field. The competition runs from May 18th to August 15th across 3 legs, giving drivers multiple chances to win. Top performers earn elite driver recognition and can receive prizes up to $1,000. Truck drivers that use TruckerPath can now experience lifelike voice guidance within the mobile app's GPS navigation function, enabled by AI-powered text-to-speech technology from Acapela Group. Text-to-speech technology for navigation converts digital map data into what is described as ultra-natural, human-sounding voice instructions. The collaboration aims to improve safety, usability, and engagement. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.